Fine. Problem number 30. Let me solve here. Round off 37,504 to the nearest 100. They have mentioned we are supposed to round off to the hundreds. That is 37,504 they have given. You know that. So if you are going to round for tens, what happens here? That should be 0 to, if it is 5, and 5 to 10. 0 to 4 if you have, then you should go with the 0, and 5 to 10 you should go with the 10. But in case of 100, that is 0 to 50, 49, and 50 to 100. So 50 to 100 you are going to round it off for 100. 0 to 49 you are round it off to 0. Now here in this case 37,504. So let us only consider this 504. The 4 which is comes between 49 and as well as 0. That's what you have to round it off to 0 itself. So the answer will be 37,500. The answer here is 37,500.